Chime Credit Builder is a secured style credit card that uses your own money from a Chime spending account to set your credit limit, which means you're not borrowing from a bank in the traditional way. By the end of this, you'll know how it builds credit, what makes it different from normal credit cards, and whether it actually helps your score in 2026. Here's the straight answer. Yes, Chime Credit Builder can work for credit building, but only if you use it consistently and understand that it doesn't behave like a normal credit card. Start with how it works. You first move money into your Chime spending account. That money becomes the basis for your credit builder limit. Then you use the card for purchases, and Chime automatically pays them using your secured balance. That structure matters because you're not taking on revolving debt in the usual way. You're basically pre-funding your spending. Now, the credit building part. Chime reports your payment activity to all 3 major credit bureaus. That means on-time payments can build positive history over time, which is a major factor in your credit score. This is the main reason people use it. There are also no traditional interest charges, because you're not carrying a balance in the same way as standard credit cards. That removes one of the biggest risks that usually leads to debt. Now, the key limitation. Chime doesn't behave like a normal revolving credit card in how it reports usage. That means it may not help your credit utilization in the same way a traditional credit card does. And utilization is a big part of your score. So this matters if you're trying to optimize credit growth quickly. So how people usually use it? Most users put small recurring expenses on the card, like streaming services or subscriptions, and let autopay handle the rest. The goal is steady payment history, not heavy spending. If you use it, the strategy is simple. Keep your spending low and consistent. Make sure your account always has enough balance. Let payments process automatically so you never miss a due date. Who it's good for? Chime Credit Builder is useful for people starting from no credit history or trying to rebuild after missed payments and who want a low-risk system. Who should skip it? If you already qualify for traditional secured cards like Discover, It's Secured, or Capital One Secured, those often give more complete credit reporting benefits. Quick recap. Chime Credit Builder uses your own money as the credit limit. It reports to all 3 bureaus and helps build payment history. But it doesn't fully behave like a traditional credit card for utilization. Best next step. Pair it with a standard secured card, if possible, so you build both payment history and credit utilization at the same time. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit building tools.